Hello and welcome ayong adlaw na usab. Ako si Joey Josh and you are watching Simple Cooking. In karong adlaw we will gonna cook a very healthy and special food nga simple ra yung lutuon. And that is the veggies binanday. So ang gihimo ani is coming carrots at kalabasa. Binanday guys, this is what the term na gigamit na mo sa dialect na Boholano. But in Tagalog, they actually call it ukoy. And there's a lot of version na ginahimo. But as we're going to cook binanday with squash and carrots. Okay, you know, squash is very good source of vitamin E. And carrots is also a good source of a lot of minerals and vitamins that is good as well for our health. So very simple na itong lutoon. We're gonna make it a very delicious and at the same time healthy nga snacks for today. And of course what we need are the following. We have the squash, carrots, cornstarch, flour, 2 pieces of eggs, and also the condiments like pepper, chili, and the other powdered ingredients. We also have garlic and onion just to add more flavor to the food. You know, sa kung masayod mo, this is my very first time to cook this veggie. Just looking for an idea. Kasi lamig na snacks and healthy nga snacks na pwede na itong kaunon while we are at home, while we are in quarantine, kaya wala man tayo, di pa man ta pwede makagawas-gawas or pwede ta mo gawas, but it's better to stay at home kay dili pa gyud man anak ka safe ang pagsuroy-suroy karong panahon na. So basically this is what we are doing now. We are going to cook a very healthy and delicious food. And hopefully may successful nga to ang paghahimuon mga lifers. And what we're gonna do is just simply grated lang na to ang carrots and also the squash, and we're gonna mix them together. So i-mix lang na to siya, and of course after mixing ihalo lang na to ang mga other ingredients, which are the condiments. And of course, ikaw na bahala ang timpla. May add garlic and onion. Then ikaw na bahala ang timpla sa pepper, sa chili, and also sa ginger, just to make sure that the flavor really suits you. So actually guys, pwede man siyang kilawon. No need na to cook because this is already healthy. Pwede na ko siyang kilawon. Kaon magani kong carrots na walay luto, and also the squash. It's actually edible, so you can actually eat it fresh. Even sa laing gawa sa Pilipinas, they actually eat this squash na ila lang i-grate and then we'll add some sauce. That's already a very good source of food sa ilaha, no? But there sa Pilipinas, we are used to cook man yun, no? Mata na ana lang ikaw ng hilaw. Okay? But we cook it, so we're gonna add now the cornstarch. Ang purpose of cornstarch is for the binanday to really stick. Okay, so dili na ito butangan og cornstarch basin og mga bungkag na ito butang na ito sa fried na ito later. So all we have to do just to mix all the ingredients, mix them well na dapat one tone na siya. One tone meaning say wala na mag puti-puti, wala na yung mga condiments nga nagtibo. Dapat one tone ang combination. Then we'll add the seasoning. Pwede sa din nga himuon na sweeter version, like you'll add sugar or whatever available na pwede siyang himong sweet version. But this one that I'm cooking, pwede na to siya himong sudan because it's tasty, not salty that much, but It's really a good version na pwede rin mong sudan. Then we'll beat the egg, and of course we'll add it to our mixture, and then after that combine na to siya, and it's ready to cook once combined. So dali ra kayo mo, di ba? Simple kay simple cooking ang atong ginahimo karon mga guys. And of course, I'm sure binasa ko nga hilig kayo og gulay. I'm sure you can enjoy this kind of food mga higala. So let's start cooking now, while nag-mix pa ta, but later on we're gonna start cooking the food. And dali ra gid kaya ang pag-cook, ang atong madugayan na kanay pag-grate and pag-mix. So let's start now. So of course, when you fried the binanday, just 1 spoon, and then dapat ikatag nimo siya. Pwede nimo imuhang na kay butangan ra nga hulmahanan, or pwede nimo pumang shapes to make it more appealing, but simple raman ta. So we'll just use spoon. So 1 spoon of the mixture, and then we'll just flatten it to make it cook evenly. So ganahan lang siya, i-flat lang siya, and then just 2 to 3 minutes or 4 to 5 siguro pwede na to siyang balihon. Then actually luto na siya, because again there's no need for us to overcook this, because even this squash and the carrots pwede na siyang kaunon nga hilaw. So ayan, golden brown na siya. Balihon na nato siya para evenly cook ang atong pagkaon. So ang pagtulamit hilaw ang pikas, and the rest is cooked. So mas nindot itong i-cook naman gaan, so evenly cook. Hilaw na lang yun. But the egg, we need to cook as well the egg, kasi butangan na itong egg. So just few minutes of frying the mixture, and we'll be able now to create a very good, healthy, and simply cook veggie binanday. And of course, so golden brown na siya guys after a few minutes, and it's now ready to be served. And of course, for just 10 pesos of squash, 2 slices lang, and 1 piece of carrots, you can cook actually like good for 2 to 3 persons. Here's our final product, and it looks really yummy, and when I taste it, it's really yummy guys. So that's it for today, simple cooking. My name is Joey Josh. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel.